Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix hyping in Valorant. So if you are experiencing hyping and playing Valorant, consider this few method to basically fix the issue. First method, check your internet connection. If you're going to the bottom right-hand corner here, click on Wi-Fi icon, you will see if you have a strong stable internet connection. If you have some devices that also connected to your Wi-Fi, make sure that any devices that you're not currently using are disconnected to increase bandwidth with Valorant and improve your ping. I suggest to use a Ethernet cable to directly connect to your router and plug into your computer so you can get more faster, stable internet connection. Now the second method here is by closing unnecessary apps that running in the background. To do that, go to the taskbar, right click here, and then click on Task Manager. As you can see under Processes section, you can simply scroll through, and if you find like Steam or other apps that uses a lot of bandwidth that are running in background, just click it and click End Task. For example here, right click, then click on End Task button. Once done, try to play Valorant and see if it's improved the ping. I also suggest to select the server location that basically closest to your location. If not, it will affect your ping and you won't have a good gameplay experience. A third method here is by checking your network drivers. Make sure everything is up to date. So to do that, go to the search box at the bottom and search for Device Manager. Now on the Device Manager app, you just need to open that. And here you just need to go to the network adapters. So basically, you'll find here, right here at the bottom. So click on this one. And then here you will find all the drivers. So select the driver one by one and then right click and then click on update driver. Make sure to select search automatically for drivers and make sure that you get the best driver for your device. So make sure here that you do that to all of the drivers with the same process. But if you tried all the method but the problem is persist, the last method here is to check the right game server. To do that, open your browser and then go to status.riotgames.com. Once done here, you just need to press enter on your keyboard. And then here you can select your language. So if there is a problem on any games, if you scroll down here, you can see Valorant. So click on this Valorant and then choose the region. And here you will see if there's ongoing maintenance or problems with these games that contribute to a bad ping. So all you need to do right here is you just have to wait until Riot Games team fix the issue. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.